To set up private space in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here on the bottom you can find security and privacy, where we can also find the options for private space. So if you click on it for the first time, you might need to unlock your phone. In this case, I'm going to use my fingerprint, and then we can begin the setup right here. So after you click on the setup, you will need to wait a few moments until it's prepared. Then you can read through everything right here to create a Google account to help you keep data private and etc. In this case, let's click on Got It. Then we need to sign in to our Google account, or it's optional, you can skip it right here, but if you want, you can sign in. Then we can use either our original screen lock to access private space or choose new one. In this case, I'm going to use the one that I already have. If you select choose new one, then you'll be able to create a new screen lock that allows you to enter private space. So now it's all set. We can click on done. And then we'll need to find a private space. Usually you can find it right here on the bottom of your app drawer. You can click on it and then unlock your phone. That way you can access private space, you can add different apps, and that way they will be protected by a password. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.